Okay everyone, look at this question. This question is from the ISI BStat BMath examination. Now ISI BStat or BMath is not about solving 100 questions. It's about solving one question in 100 smart ways. And today's question is exactly that type, the connection between two different integrals. Now come to the question. Question is saying basically if a equal to integration 0 to pi cos x by x plus 2 whole square dx, then show that integration 0 to pi by 2 sin x cos x by x plus 1 dx is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1 by pi plus 2 minus a. Okay, so we have to prove this. Now give me some time. Okay, so given a is what? Integration 0 to pi cos x by x plus 2 whole square dx, right? And we have to show that integration 0 to pi by 2 sin x cos x by x plus 1 dx is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1 by pi plus 2 minus a, right? Okay, so whenever you see sin x cos x, your brain should whisper use the identity bro, and we know that sin x cos x is equal to half of sin 2x. Okay, now rewrite the target integral again. So I is basically integration 0 to pi by 2 sin x cos x by x plus 1 dx is equal to 1 by 2 integration 0 to pi by 2 sin 2x by x plus 1 into dx. Okay, so this is why students panic, but legend smiled. We now convert the limits cleverly. Now let t equal to x plus 1. Okay, then when x equal to 0, t equal to 1, and when x equal to pi by 2, t is what? 1 plus pi by 2, right? So I becomes 1 by 2 into integration 1 to 1 plus pi by 2 sin 2 into t minus 1 by t dt, right? Now sin 2 into t minus 1, so this is basically sin 2t minus 2, right? Now using the identity sin a minus b, that is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So we can say that this will be equal to sin 2t cos 2 minus cos 2t sin 2, right? Now split the integral. I is equal to 1 by 2 into cos 2 integration of sin 2t by t dt minus sin 2 integration of cos 2t by t dt. Alright, with limits 1 to 1 plus pi by 2. Okay, now instead of solving these ugly integrals, we connect them with the given a. Now look at a. A is what? Integration 0 to pi cos x x plus 2 whole square dx, right? Now let u equal to cos x, so dv is basically dx by x plus 2 whole square. Okay, we'll let it be. Then du is what? Minus of sin x dx, and v will be what? Minus of 1 by x plus 2. right? Now apply IBP. So A is what? Minus of cos x by x plus 2 0 to pi plus integration 0 to pi sin x by x plus 2 dx. Now compute the boundary term. At x equal to pi, minus of cos pi by x plus 2 is what? 1 by pi plus 2. And at x equal to 0, minus of cos 0 by 2, that is minus 1 by 2. So we can say minus of cos x by x plus 2 0 to pi, that will be equal to 1 by pi plus 2 plus 1 by 2. Okay, so we get what? A equal to 1 by pi plus 2 plus half plus 0 integration 0 to pi sin x by x plus 2 dx. Now rearrange. So basically integration 0 to pi sin x by x plus 2 dx is equal to a minus 1 by pi plus 2 plus 1 by 2. Okay. Now comes the ninja move. Split integration 0 to pi in 0 integration 0 to pi by 2 plus integration pi by 2 to pi. Okay. Then do the substitution. Okay. So x tends to what? Pi minus x. Now this clearly converts the second part and matches the structure of our original integral I, and you get what? 2i. 2i is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by pi plus 2 minus a. So what is the final answer? I is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1 by pi plus 2 minus a. So proved. Okay. So what are the key techniques that are used? That is the trigonometric identity, that is sin x cos x is sin 2x, and the substitution shift. Okay, and integration by parts, that is very important, and splitting the interval and symmetry trick. Okay, so this problem is like the Bollywood movie. Two unrelated characters meet, twist happens, and suddenly they are connected by a hidden past. So in ISI, if two expressions look different, they are probably secretly the same. Okay, so next time you see the complicated integral, don't solve it directly. Find its best friend somewhere else in the question. Okay, so we have just solved this question beautifully, and we will be solving more questions of ISI BStat BMath at the next session. So that will be very beneficial for you. Okay, so we will meet at the next session, guys. Till then, bye bye.